Hello everyone, this is Sika Tempest Tarot. Today I am going to do reading for Taurus for the month of March 2021. This will be reading for Sun, Moon and Rising sign. In case if this video resonates, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. So let's start your reading, Taurus. So let's see what message you have from Divine. You have hope, phases and cycles, soul flame, sacred self, supreme protection and they expect miracles. Maybe dealing with a water sign or a earth sign. What I says Taurus for the month of March, I see like there's going to be a hope within yourself. You're building hope within yourself regarding a situation here. Maybe in the past you may have lost hope, you may have just gave up on something here, but I see you building up hope and just wishing for something good to happen in your life. I see there are so many cycles which are ending, and the thing is that you should be remember that as soon as a cycle ends, there's a new cycle which is going to begin, and I see you being ready for that, for the new cycle. And there's a connection you're dealing with which is a soul flame. It's a soulmate connection. In this connection I see you like you're realizing that than expecting much from the opposite person or soulmate person, it's better to work on yourself and heal yourself. I see there's a healing process going on in the month of March, and I see like Divine is telling you are being protected. There's an opportunity which has been presented. You may be like fearing regarding a new opportunities here, but Divine is telling not to worry about anything and it's time to grab new opportunity here. And I also see like there are some situation you may have not accepted that it's going to happen. You may have felt like it's impossible like that, but I see like in the month of March it will be like a shocking thing. Maybe there's a sudden shift in your life, like sudden life changing thing. Like maybe you are dealing with sadness, everything, but in the month of March I see like there's a sudden shift which is going to bring you happiness and which is going to make you very happy in the situation you're dealing with. And I also see like you are just ready to accept things here and just move forward, and you're not accepting much. Maybe this past thing may have taught you that you're not supposed to accept much, then you're going to get hurt. So in the new journey I see you like not accepting much and being ready to face anything and just ready to accept anything whatever Divine provides you. So that's what I see. I see like you may be blocking someone here, like not letting anyone to come into your life. It can be new love or a old person, but finally I see in the month of March your heart is opening for the new love here or a person. So let me check your current energy now. You got angry, 6 of coin, 10 of cups, Queen of wands, King of cups, 8 of coin, King of swords, Three of wands, 3 of cups and the Ace of coin. Okay. I see in the current situation you are just working on things or moving towards things which makes you happy and just being okay with that, and you're just accepting things which makes you happy, not the things which is making you sad. You're just happy with whatever you have and just working on that. There may be a fire sign or a water sign, but I feel like you have a lot of emotion towards them, you have a strong connection with them, you feel they are very confident, you feel them as the one in your life, you feel very strong pull towards them. But the thing is that maybe you may have not expressed much towards them. As you got the card angry, this speaks that You may be very much anger towards them because things may have not went as per your wish in the past. Maybe something wrong had happened in the past, due to which I see like you may be angry regarding that. But moreover, I see like you have a lot of emotion towards them, and you want to make things right with them. I see most of them wishing to make things right here. But the thing is that you're just working on yourself and just I don't see in the present situation your heart is open. Instead, you are just practically thinking and just wanting to work things out with them, and which is not possible here, right? So as soon as you feel like you want to work things out with them, there's a king of swords which comes in middle, which tells like logically it doesn't work, or logically practically it's not right whatever you're doing. Maybe this confusion may be there, but you wanting a new start with them, you want to reconcile with them and want a new beginning with them. You wanting a new opportunity, you want to give a new opportunity to them to restart with you. Your Three of Swords and the Queen of Cups. For some people, it can be a situation where you have to leave a person to move towards the other. If it's a third party situation, because I got 3, 3, 3. I got 3 cards, which is 3. And I see like most of them may be dealing with a third party situation here. In case if it's a third party situation, I see like you have to leave one person and move towards the other person. This may be triggering you here. You may be hesitating to make a decision. For the rest, it can be a situation where there is something which may have hurted you in the past regarding something. You have to heal from that so that you can move towards them. So that can be a scenario. But moreover, I feel it's a third party situation. Let me clarify more. Two of Wands, Nine of Cups and Five of Wands. Yeah, it can be a strong third party situation here. You have to make decision between two people here, and you want to make a right decision, and this may be very conflicted. You may be very conflicted regarding this. You don't know which is the right decision, and you may have stepped back. Instead of making a decision, you may have stepped back. Let me check other emotions you are facing right now. Playfulness and knowing more. Okay, I think so. You're just exploring the options you have in your life and just knowing more regarding people around you so that you can make a right decision. Maybe between this both fire sign and water sign, you have to make a decision here. So you may be knowing more between both so that you can make a right decision here, I feel. So that's what I see in the current situation. Maybe dealing with the water sign, fire sign, earth sign, air sign, all signs are here. Now let me check your past, present and future reading. I see like most of the Taurus have options right now. I feel you have more than one, more than two. I feel there are so many options. You have to make a decision here, I feel strongly. So for the overall energy, you got the 8 of Swords for the month of March. Maybe feeling stuck regarding something, or you have to work on your overthinking. I feel in the past you got 5 of coin, king of coin and the 7 of Swords. You may have left someone in the cold because of some other person, or someone may have left you in the cold, whatever it is. But I feel like you may have left someone in the cold, and due to some kind of a deception or some kind of hidden thing, secret or something, you may have left someone in the cold and you may have chosen to work on yourself in the past. In the present energy, you got the Ace of Wands, 7 of Cups and the 8 of coin. For that's what I told, like for most of them there can be more than one choice here, and if there's more than one choice you have to make a decision and you're working on that to make a decision here. For us it can be like emotional confusion, or it can be like you're just planning how to work things out with an individual here. For the future energy, you got 3 of cups, Hierophant and the Ace of Coins. It's a beautiful energy, a new beginning, a reconciliation. I feel a strong reconciliation energy here by the end of March. So let me clarify the energy here. Let me clarify the 8 of Swords energy. Three of Wands, 5 of Swords and the Queen of Swords. I see like you may be like blocking a person here in the month of March, maybe blocking them or avoiding them here. You're not, instead of moving forward, you're just being in that energy of blocking. I don't see you like wanting to leave this person also and move forward also. You're just